Bird, your midday host. Thanks so much for being here. Kicking off our 20th season of First Thursday Festival. Give it up. And if you remember, we were a teeny tiny festival way back when in Mount Vernon Park, and now look how much we've grown.
Yeah.
And that is all thanks to your support. Thank you so much. All right, well, I just want to give a quick thank you to a few of our partners and our sponsors who have made tonight happen. I want to say thanks to CFG Bank, transforming the banking experience, Maryland Energy Administration and its Maryland Solar Access Program, the Dan Tamburino Memorial Gift, the William G. Baker Jr. Memorial Fund, the Maryland School for the Blind, Decoy Wines, and Mother's Grill. And I'm thrilled to bring on this next act, who is a First Thursday alum. This is not his first time here on the stage. He was rocking it out back in 2014 with the Hold Steady.
Yeah!
Give it up, yep. And just released his 6th solo album, Always Been, a beautiful, beautiful collection of songwriting produced by Adam Grandisio from the War on Drugs. Do we see the pirate ship? They stopped by the way.
Yeah!
It's getting real Baltimore up in here, hon.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm thrilled to welcome to the stage, let's give him a big First Thursday Festival Baltimore welcome, Craig Finn!
Yeah! Yeah, Craig!
What's up, Baltimore?
Yeah!
Last night I fell with a little shaky and scared. I found a thread in the closet. I followed into the darkness.